How to buy Crunchyroll subscription. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Crunchyroll. Once you're in here, enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to account at the bottom right corner. In this page, you will see the option where it says membership. Click on it. And then click on digital membership card, or you can click on Go Premium. You will be able to see tons of different premium versions. You can also buy the premium version monthly or yearly. You can choose whether you want to get Mega Fan or simply a fan. Choose whichever plan that you want to. Let me choose Fan plan right now. In this section, click on Start Subscription at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Settings. It will open up the settings page. Enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you have entered, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. Now it will open up the App Store. Click on Subscribe at the bottom of the screen. After that, it will land you on this page where you will be able to enter your payment method. Enter the specific amount that you need to pay and then tap on Confirm. If all the informations are correct, then you will be able to receive the subscription plan of Crunchyroll. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.